Imagine this. You've just landed after an 8-hour flight. You are exhausted, hungry, and just want to get to your hotel. You have two choices. Do you drag your luggage to the curb and hope the taxi line isn't an hour long? Or do you walk through those sliding doors and see your name on a sign? Today, we are settling the debate. Airport transfer versus city taxi. Let's start with the classic city taxi. The biggest pro? Flexibility. You don't need to plan ahead, you just show up. But here is the catch. Unpredictability. You are at the mercy of the meter. Stuck in traffic? You pay for it. Driver takes a scenic route? You pay for it. And during peak hours, standing in line for a cab can drain whatever energy you have left. Now, let's look at the private transfer. This isn't just a ride, it's a service. The game changer here is the fixed price. You know exactly what you are paying weeks before you land. No meter anxiety. Plus, professional transfer companies track your flight. Delayed by 2 hours? The driver knows and waits. You don't pay extra for the airline's mistake. Many people assume taxis are cheaper. Often, they are wrong. Once you add airport surcharges, luggage fees, and traffic jams, a taxi can easily become more expensive than a pre-booked transfer. With a transfer, everything is prepaid. No fumbling for local currency or arguing about the credit card machine being broken. Let's talk about safety and comfort. With a city taxi, it's a lottery. You might get a great car, or you might get one that's seen better days. With a transfer, you choose the vehicle class. Business trip? Choose a sedan. Family vacation with a stroller? Book a minivan. The drivers are vetted and the cars are maintained to a higher standard. So, how do you choose? If you are traveling solo, have light luggage, and know the city well, a taxi is perfectly fine. But if you are in a group, traveling with kids, arriving late at night, or simply value your peace of mind, book the transfer. The small difference in price buys you a stress-free start to your trip. And honestly, that is priceless.